All parties in the matter of Poole versus Gretchen. Step forward.
23-year-old Ryan Poole is suing his ex-girlfriend, 21-year-old Tiffany Gretchen, for medical bills as the result of a car accident.
Mr. Poole, how old are you, sir?
I'm 23.
What do you do?
I sell flowers with my neighbor.
You work full-time?
Yes, ma'am.
And how long have you done that?
I've been working for him for about 8 years.
Who do you live with?
My dad.
Okay, this is what the case is about. A while ago, you and the defendant, who used to be a girlfriend, decided to go with another couple camping.
Yes, ma'am.
According to what I'm reading in between the lines of this, the defendant's father wasn't happy about you being involved with his daughter.
Correct.
Anyway, you were involved anyway. You decided to go camping. When you were camping, you all got a case of the munchies in the evening. You don't say that, but that's what I'm sort of putting together, that you got a case of the munchies and decided to go out to find some food.
Judge Judy continues in a moment. Ryan Poole says ex-girlfriend Tiffany Gretchen owes for his medical bills resulting from a car accident while riding in her vehicle. Tiffany says Ryan should be suing the driver of the other car.
Now, at some point when you were out, the four of you, a car or a truck hit you in the rear. You were stopped at a stop sign or a light. The car was pretty much totaled, and the car belonged to her father. You exchanged information with the truck driver?
Yes.
And the insurance company settled with you for your injuries, as well as the car, and a friend of yours who was also in the car.
Yes.
And that would be you,
Yes.
because you also had medical bills.
Yes.
Your complaint is she left your name off
Correct.
when she filed an insurance claim, and you think you should get some money too.
Correct.
Why didn't you take the name of the truck driver and sue?
I was in a state of shock.
What?
I was in a state of shock at the time.
Well, how was that her fault?
I was in her car with her.
Yeah, but she wasn't at fault. The truck driver was at fault.
I know. I couldn't get any information off.
What?
I couldn't get any information off her, and she wouldn't give me any.
Oh, no. All you have to do is get out of the car and say, listen, I'm a passenger in the car. You weren't taken to the hospital immediately from the scene, were you?
No.
I need the information, too, because I'm going to sue him. If you were hurt, what are you suing her for?
Because I need help paying these medical bills.
Well, then sue the truck driver.
I would love to. She's not giving me any information.
She'll give you the name. I mean, I don't know whether statute of limitations has expired. When did this accident happen?
July 4th.
This past July 4th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, you have plenty of time, sir. You probably have a one-year statute of limitations. Go sue the truck driver. He hit you in the rear.
Yeah.
She didn't. What do you want her to do?
Just put her name on the insurance that I was with her.
You know you were with her, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sue the truck driver. I mean, am I missing something? Is there something here that I'm missing?
No.
Huh? Is there something here that I'm missing, Mr. Poole?
No, ma'am.
No? Mm-mm. Then are we all happy?
Judge Judy continues in a moment.
Now,
Your Honor, he's mad because I had recently moved to Texas.
listen to me. I read your answer, that you recently moved to Texas and you have another boyfriend, and that's why he's
I'm
mad.
married.
Married? I don't care. That's for another show. That's for a cable someplace, all the way down the pike. I don't care about that. All I care about is he wants money. He says he was injured as a result of somebody else's negligence. Then you have to sue the right person.
He told me not to tell my insurance company he was in the car.
I don't care. What do I care? If he'll have to prove to the insurance company that he was in the car. I'm sure you're prepared to give an affidavit that says he was in the car, right? Yeah. Because he was in the car, right? Yeah. And now we have it memorialized here that you said he was in the car. So he's going to sue the driver of the car who hit your car in the rear, and then they're going to say to him, prove your injuries, prove that you were in some way damaged, which I'm sure you can, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, because I'm not interested in it because she's the wrong defendant. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Toodaloo.
Parties are excused. You may step out.
Judge Judy continues in a moment.
He has the wrong defendant.
Yes, I do understand that she's not at fault.
He begged me not to tell the insurance company that he was in the car because my parents didn't like the fact that we hung out.
They're scary people.
I'd give him the information. All he had to do was ask. He never asked, so.
I've asked her several times and she never did.
I'd still continue to be friends and everything.
We could still be friends if she wants to be.